Hello guys, review smartphone LG G7 ThinQ. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. In completion we have a device in the black color. Okay. Guarantee papers. And quick guide. Adapter for charging. USB Type-C cable and headphones. In this box, headphones we have. Okay. That's all. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side double camera, fingerprint scanner LED. On the front side 6.1-inch display, front camera, talk speaker and sensors. On the left side volume case and voice assistant key. On the right side power key. Upside slot. This cabinet slot we can use 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM and micro SD card for memory. On the downside, speaker, microphone, port USB Type-C and jack for headphones. Turn on device, UHD Plus resolution display, IPS, 10 touches support, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Open settings, Android version, about phone, about PO. Version Android 8.0.0 and others. Close this, open Geekbench 4, talk about system information. CPU by Qualcomm, Snapdragon CPU by Qualcomm, Snapdragon 835, 4+4 cores. First cores work 1.7 GHz and second powerful cores work 2.8 GHz. GPU Adreno 630, resolution, display PPI, RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 64 GB. History, CPU speed, CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Open next test, Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score, ranking, our device. Okay, close this and open demanded game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Turn on graphic level max and start game. Okay, game works good. Okay. Go next game. Go next test. Camera test. Main camera 16 plus 16 megapixels and front camera 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.